Hi guys, hi girls, we are in a new video from Qingdao, China, from our office. I let you see the difference between waved 3 cm and straight-on system. In our stock we have these two options and sometimes clients ask us what means. I let you see. This one is totally straight-on air system. It's good if you have sides and back with straight-on hairs. Here we have the 3 cm option. If you want a little of wave, this is a good option to you. I let you see. When you comb the hairs, will have this good spiral. In our stock hair system, we have these two options, in Indian Remy hairs or in Euro Remy hairs. I hope you like this video, give it a like, subscribe. We see in next video from Qingdao. Bye bye!